Imagine you're deep in the heart of the wilderness, surrounded by towering trees and the soothing sounds of nature. Now, picture yourself equipped with ingenious camping inventions that take outdoor living to a whole new level. From cutting-edge gear that enhances your comfort under the stars to clever solutions that tackle common camping challenges, we're about to embark on a journey through the world of camping innovations that'll leave you both amazed and inspired. Get ready to discover a realm where creativity meets the great outdoors, and where your camping experience is about to get an upgrade like never before. Number 1. Two-story tent. As you peruse the array of tents in a store, you might find yourself pondering a rather unconventional question. How many stories would you like your tent to have? Yes, you heard that right. Imagine a remarkable two-story tent, not designed for a fairy tale, but for real-life camping adventures. This innovative marvel, built to accommodate 3 to 4 people, has taken the camping world by storm through a Kickstarter launch. The creators proudly boast that this tent can endure weights of up to 300 kilograms and handle gusts of wind reaching speeds of 19 meters per second. Setting it up is a breeze, too, taking just 10 to 20 minutes, whether you're placing it on the ground or even atop a couple of surfboards. However, it's worth noting that this double-decker delight isn't exactly feather-light, tipping the scales at around 45 kilograms when fully assembled. Yet for those seeking the pinnacle of camping comfort and innovation, the price tag of $690 might just be a small price to pay. Number 2. Tent with built-in garage. Picture this: a camping experience tailored not only for adventure seekers, but also for those who hold a special place in their hearts for their four-wheeled companions. Bid farewell to concerns about your vehicle enduring the chill, dampness, or the solitude of darkness while you embark on your vacation. Behold the ingenious tent with a built-in garage, a remarkable innovation that's set to redefine camping comfort. Standing tall at 3.5 meters and boasting an expansive 40 square meters of space, this creation offers a unique opportunity to sleep right above your cherished car. Setting up this tent is a breeze, taking no more than 10 minutes as affirmed by its creators. And when it's time to pack up, this tent conveniently folds down to fit neatly in your car trunk, creating a harmonious relationship between your vehicle and your temporary abode that's more practical than ever. This dynamic duo is equipped to tackle any season and weather condition, ensuring an unrivaled blend of convenience and comfort for all your camping escapades. Number 3. AC for camping tents. Now, while the concept of these innovative tents might leave you in awe, there's one question that naturally comes to mind. How do we keep these spacious shelters cool and comfortable? Well, worry not, my fellow campers, for this conundrum has already been addressed. Meet the ultimate cooling solution, an air conditioner that's here to rescue us from the heat. With the ability to swiftly lower the temperature from a sweltering 32 to a refreshing 15 degrees Celsius in just a mere 10 minutes, this nifty device is a game changer. And the best part? A single charge offers a generous 8 hours of operation. The recharging options are aplenty, from solar panels to the trusty cigarette socket, catering to tents, campers, and motorhomes alike. Convenience is the name of the game, featuring a handle for easy transport and a remote control for seamless operation. And don't worry about noise. This conditioner hums along at around 52 decibels, which is akin to the soothing sound of rain or a hushed conversation. The icing on the cake? A price tag of $1,500 for a complete set with a battery. So, whether you're an adventurer in a tent or a nomad in a motorhome, rest assured, relief from the heat is just a charge away. Number 5. Portable boat tent. Introducing a nautical innovation fresh from Germany. An ingenious creation tailored for SUP boats. Hold on to your paddles because this is the world's inaugural solution that's as adaptable as your boat, fitting snugly on vessels ranging from 3.5 to 4.3 meters long. But here's the twist. It's not just about fitting in. It's about blowing up, quite literally. This model flaunts inflatable elements that turn the installation into a breeze, requiring a mere 2 minutes of your time. Once inflated, this marvel finds its aquatic purpose, poised to accompany you on your waterborne ventures. Whether it's a serene shore stop or an impressive rooftop placement on your trusty car, the choice is yours. And even if you decide to ditch the boat for a day, the tent's autonomy doesn't waver. Now let's talk practicalities. It weighs a modest 5 kilograms and comes with a price tag of $670. Keep in mind, it's an investment that stretches beyond the norm, but then again, this is no ordinary tent. It's a boat-top abode that's ready to set sail on a sea of possibilities. Number 6. Swiss Army Knife's Sibling. Let's kick things up a notch. Behold, a tool that's the equivalent of having a team of 5 specialists rolled into one. They're not holding back when they liken it to the Swiss Army Knife's robust sibling. Packing a punch at 4.8 pounds, this masterpiece boasts an impressive arsenal of functions. It doesn't just multitask, it's a master of versatility, stepping in as an axe, saw, shovel, hammer, and hook. Ready to delve into the specifics? The axe, forged from high-carbon steel, wields an optimized shape for seamless log splitting. The saw, stretching to 6.5 inches, touts a unique blade design to keep jams at bay. The shovel goes the extra mile with footrests and a sharpened edge, while the hammer and hook cater to various needs, from tent pegs to your camping conundrums. Crafted right here in the USA and offered in a duo of colors, this tool comes with a cherry on top, a tailored case, and a spare saw blade, all part and parcel of the standard package. Number 7. Volkswagen Multivan. Why invest in a trailer when your trusty Volkswagen Multivan can transform into the ultimate camping companion? Let the experts work their magic, and behold a regular car morphing into a 4-person camping haven, straight from the inventive minds of German engineers. This concept offers all the creature comforts for an unforgettable outdoor escapade. Every nook and cranny is ingeniously utilized, with even a rooftop bed making an appearance. Imagine having not just a bed, but also a shower, a toilet, and a pull-out kitchen complete with a sink and a 2-burner stove, all within arm's reach. And guess what? These innovations aren't just slapped together. They're meticulously crafted. Take the shower, for instance. It's tailored to brave, chilly weather, ensuring you can stay refreshed even when the temperatures dip. Plus, that stove does double duty, not only cooking up meals, but also heating water. It's like having your camping cake and eating it too. Number 8. Portable shower. Ever wondered what lies within this unassuming backpack? Here's a playful hint. It's a game changer for all you water enthusiasts who value staying fresh and clean. Drum roll, please. It's a nifty portable shower. With a generous capacity of up to 4.5 gallons, this innovative backpack is a water reservoir and more. Powered by batteries, it promises a blissfully comfortable flow. Don't worry about the weight. It tips the scales at a manageable 16 pounds, and those adjustable padded straps ensure you're good to go in style. Using this shower is a breeze. Fill up the tank, hit that button, and voila! You're in control of 5 different flow modes. And guess what? The most thrifty mode will pamper you with a refreshing wash for around 45 minutes. Worried about leaks? Fear not. The backpack's armor is a combination of trusty EVA foam and a robust inch-thick insulation, standing strong against any untimely drips. Now that's how you stay squeaky clean on the go. Number 9. Portable pump. Now let's discuss a game-changing gadget ready to elevate your camping comfort. If you've struggled with inflating pillows, air mattresses, or other gear, meet your new ally. Introducing the ultimate inflating assistant, taking the effort out of inflation with electric power. No more breathlessness or wasted energy. With up to 4.2 kilopascals of pressure, it pumps 7 mattresses or 10 pillows on one charge. It's versatile, doubling as a flashlight and campfire companion. At just 105 grams, it's lightweight, easily attaching to your backpack. And the best part? This camping essential is yours for only $39. Whether under the stars or on a getaway, it ensures you rest easy and embrace the outdoors. As we wrap up our adventure through these remarkable camping innovations, one thing is abundantly clear. The world of outdoor exploration is evolving at an extraordinary pace. From tents that defy convention to versatile tools that become your trusty sidekicks, these next-level inventions are rewriting the rules of camping comfort and convenience. So whether you're embarking on a solo journey, a family escapade, or a friend's camping bonanza, these ingenious creations are here to elevate your experience to new heights. As we bid farewell for now, remember to keep your curiosity alive, and who knows what groundbreaking innovations await on your next outdoor expedition. Stay curious, stay adventurous, and until next time, happy camping, explorers.